Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install QuickBooks Online customers into HubSpot detailed guide step by step clearly. To get started, ensure you have access to both your QuickBooks Online and HubSpot accounts. Log into your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the Customers section from the left-hand menu. Choose the customers you want to transfer to HubSpot. You can select individual customers or export the entire customer list. Click on the Export option, typically found at the top of the customer list. Select the format you wish to export, preferably CSV for easy import. Save the exported file to a convenient location on your computer. Next, log into your HubSpot account. Once logged in, head to the Contacts section. Click on Import located in the right-hand corner. Choose the option to start an import. Select File from Computer as your import source. Upload the previously saved CSV file from QuickBooks. HubSpot will prompt you to map the fields from your CSV to its contact properties. Ensure that names, emails, and any custom fields are mapped correctly. Review the mapping carefully before proceeding. Once satisfied, click on Next to continue. You will have the option to assign the imported contacts to a specific owner. Select your preferences, then click Next again. HubSpot will then display a summary of your import settings. Confirm everything is correct and click Import to begin the process. The import may take a few moments, depending on the number of customers. Once the import is complete, you will see a summary of the imported contacts. Remember to review the contacts in HubSpot to ensure all data appears correctly. If any issues arise, check the CSV file for formatting errors. Congratulations, you now have your QuickBooks Online customers in HubSpot. Utilize HubSpot's tools to engage and manage your newly imported customers efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.